Hello everybody and welcome to another ASMR video. Today we will be unboxing these gooey mini slimes. I have 4 to unbox and I believe this is the full set. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox each slime at a time, and then we'll go ahead and play with them at the very end. Let's start with our first one. So here is what it shows you. Shows you kind of what you get inside of the box. And then here are all of the ones to collect. We have a gloss slime, a cloud slime, a clear slime, and a butter slime. I think I really like the clear one. I like how it looks with the watermelons. And then it shows you how to put it together, basically. And then on the top of the lid is where it actually shows you which slime you will be getting. And actually I have already opened this one because I was too curious, but I will also open it with you guys and show you, and then we will play with it later on as well. The other 3 are completely sealed though. I haven't looked at them or opened them, so we'll take a look at those after we play with this one for a little bit. So the first thing is the little checklist that also comes with the instructions. And it kind of shows you how to take care of the slime as well. And then the 4 to collect are the gloss slime with the roasted pistachio scent, the butter slime with salted caramel scent, then the cloud slime with a sweet citrus scent. Then the last one is the clear slime with a watermelon glow scent, whatever that means. Okay. And then the next thing is our mix-ons or add-ons or whatever. Pom-poms. That's the word. Pom-poms. Little pink pom-poms. And then down here you'll see we have okay. Okay. And this is not normally how it comes. It's just because I already opened it. But there'll be like a little package of slime, and then you get to put it in the container. And the keychain is actually wrapped up as well to keep it safe. But here are the charms for that. It's a little doggy and a heart with a metal keychain. The little slime container is blue. My favorite color is blue, so as you can tell from my wall, my favorite color is blue. It has their little logo and name. And let's go ahead and open this and take a look at it as well. There is our slime right there. Okay, that was easy. None of them spilled either. That's cool. Mix them up. Mix them up. Mix them up. Mix them up. Let's move on to the next slime now. This one is the gloss slime, and I did not notice that they show you on the front which one you're getting. That's funny, but now I know. I just knew about the top, but I didn't realize it's actually on the front as well. This one Also, if you hear some weird breathing in the background, that is my puppy Arkham. He is sleeping in my room right now while I am recording. That was loud. Checklist, which we do not need. Here is the slime. This is how it's supposed to look. Or how it's supposed to come in the package. Then we have our pom-poms here. These ones are a little bit larger. And you only get 5. Oh well. Then here is the cover that I was talking about that covers the chain. And here is the container, which is pink, 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 pink. And there's a little bear charm. It might be a panda bear. It looks like it. And there is a little bow charm as well. And then we'll put our slime in that once we unbox it. Or actually, it says reveal, not unbox. So we're revealing the slime. Let's go ahead and do that. Here it is. Okay. Interesting. Here is our little gloss slime. Whoa. There we go. Perfect. Let's just leave it like that. That is how it's gonna look now, forever. No, I'm kidding. Let's go ahead and play with it. Play with it. Play with it. Play. Pom-poms don't add too much for me. I don't actually like them in my slime personally. But it is what it is. Get in there. We're gonna go ahead and open the next one, which is the cloud slime. Okay, I got it open. I put these little stickers up there. For now, checklist. Slime. Confetti. We have little, ooh, looks like little clay hearts. The loud keychain thing. Okay. And the container, which is another pink one, but a lighter pink, like a salmon pink. A little bit close to that color. We have a bunny charm and a flower. Some kind of flower. Let's slime. Look at that. Okay. Oh wow, that smells really good. It's like the citrus scent. Like it said. Some kind of citrus, I think. There we go. I really enjoy the scent of this one, but it is a little bit sticky, as you can tell. But that's okay. It's a cloud dough slime. Well, it's just cloud slime. I don't know why I said cloud dough slime. My hands are so dirty, but it's okay. Whoa. Okay, we're launching the hearts. Oh, alright. That was it. Little heart charms. Or whatever they are. Heart charms. It's a heart charm now. They're all spilling out onto the floor. Yippee. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. Bum. Okay, and I got all of the stickers. Well, I kind of just put them up here, but whatever. I have the stickers off, and now we can go ahead and open our clear slime. The last one to unbox, actually. Next, we have our charms. Little tiny watermelon, clay watermelons. Gotta get this out of here. Oh, okay, there we are. And the last one is this purple container, purple lilac-y color container with a strawberry, because that makes a lot of sense for a watermelon slime, and a cat. Oh. Interesting. It definitely smells like watermelon, but it also kind of smells like strawberry and watermelon. Like multiple fruits and like a little bit of cantaloupe, which is really random. But I could just be crazy, which is definitely possible. So we have our clear slime, little bit pink shade. Wow, you can't even tell that there's slime over the camera. Let's go ahead and put it in the container. You know, it kind of smells like Ryan Trahan's watermelon sour candy things. That's what it is reminding me of, and those taste so good. Let's put the little watermelon charms in. Come on, there you go. There we go. Look at the 1 minute